One way to test your own hip flexion, the difference in your active and passive ranges, is you take your jiu-jitsu belt and fold it up enough that you can put it just under your back. So I'm going from the seated position, open guard, and putting it just underneath my butt here, like so, just the lowest part of the low back. And I'm gonna squish that. So I need it to be large enough that I can feel there, okay? I'm gonna take a tennis ball and put it underneath of my knee, and I'm going to squish it down. So this is gonna keep that there. I'm gonna take my other knee, without losing that tennis ball, pull my knee as far into my chest as I can, without losing that tennis ball and without losing contact with the belt. And I'm also going to use this hand as a target, placing it on the top of my thigh. And in 5 seconds, I'm gonna slowly release this hand and see if I can keep contact with this hand. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly releasing. And there's the difference between my active and passive ranges. Make sure you don't have any pain or pinching when you're trying this out, and kind of notice the difference between your two sets. In case I have a little bit of time, you may notice as well that without pinning your low back to the ground, you tend to go like this, which raises and loses it. And we're using the belt because I want to see if every time I bring my knee in my chest, if I'm dependent on my low back for getting me those last few inches. So whenever your leg is pushed into a range that you can't control and somebody's pinning your hips, you're probably not in a great place to actively use your guard. So you're better off staying in those ranges that are actually active.